In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the date format in Smartsheet quickly and correctly. If your dates are showing in the wrong format, maybe month and day are swapped, or you prefer a different layout like day, month, year, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting that controls how your dates display. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Smartsheet tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to change the date format. You can access this from your home dashboard, your recent files, or any workspace where the sheet is stored. Once your sheet is open, make sure you are in grid view, since that's where you can easily manage and edit date columns. Next, locate the date column that you want to modify. Date columns are typically marked with a small calendar icon in the column header. This icon indicates that the column is set to the date type. Click directly on any cell within that date column so the calendar picker appears. When you click into a date cell, the calendar dropdown will open. Inside this calendar pop-up, you'll see the currently selected date format. Depending on your regional settings, it might show as mm/dd/yyyy, dd/mm/yyyy, or another variation. Now here's the key step. Inside the calendar picker, look for the Format option or Settings area where you can adjust how the date is displayed. Click on the Date Format dropdown. You'll now see different format options available. These may include formats like month, day, year, or year, month, year. Select the format that matches your preference or your organization's standard. As soon as you choose the new format, Smartsheet will update how the date appears in that column. The underlying date value stays the same, but the display format changes instantly. If you want this format applied consistently, make sure the entire column is set as a date column type. To double-check, right-click on the column header, choose Edit Column Properties, and confirm that the column type is set to date. If it isn't, change it to date and then apply your preferred date format again. It's important to remember that date formatting in Smartsheet can also be influenced by your personal profile settings or account regional settings. If you notice the format reverting or not matching what you selected, go to your account settings, check your regional preferences, and confirm your correct country or date format standard is selected there as well. And that's it. You've successfully changed the date format in Smartsheet. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now your sheet will display dates exactly the way you need them. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.